What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I have a position that I just needed to explore a little bit more. So I saw one position that wasn't really going the right way, so I decided to move that. Now I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to tell you what I moved. I will tell Patreon what I moved because I always let them know exactly what I'm doing here. But I will tell you that I did just buy more Cardano today. And the reason why I have more Cardano is because I feel like this is a great price, a great place to get in. And Cardano is just a great project overall, from the APY that you're earning, the amount of hold time that you're seeing, and the obviously major concept that is behind it. So let's talk about Cardano. Let's talk about what I bought when I made this decision. And again, I'm not going to give you the information on what I sold just because that's something that Patreon needs to know. And you guys will probably figure it out eventually once you see my portfolio, but that may be a while from now because I just did my portfolio update. But anyways, let's talk about this position. But first, let's hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, if you want to buy Cardano, I do have a link for Coinbase down below if you want to check that out, or crypto.com. I believe you can get it over there, I'm pretty sure. So I do have a link for that, and KuCoin as well. So if you want to check out any of those referral links, those links are down below in the description, at the top of the description. But again, Cardano is a great play. If we look at the entire crypto market right now, the crypto market is kind of suffering, right? It's down by 4.11%. We're seeing it at $965 billion market cap, which sounds like a lot, but compared to where it was at a 1.12 or 1.03, trillion dollar market cap, you're looking at a significant difference, a significant fall in the form of billions of dollars. So it's definitely a lot that it has fallen by, especially in the last day being down by 4%. Now, we talked about why this is happening and everything there, but I always like to look at these down times as opportunities for a lot of these plays. I'm looking at them as opportunities, and a big opportunity for me, I feel like, is Cardano. It's currently at about 31 cents. And you see that it fell in the last 7 days of 11%, almost 12%. And then today it's down by 4%. So when I see these drops, and I know that it has a little bit of potential, that's where I'm looking for an opportunity. And some other people may be going, oh, you know what? I'm going to step aside because this may drop more. And they're right. It may drop more. But if you don't pull the trigger at some point, you're not going to get in before it ends up skyrocketing. Now, I'm not saying that you physically have to. I want you guys to do your own research. Don't go with my decision just based on the fact that I bought more right now. You always want to make your own decision, because whenever I decide to sell, it may not be when you decide to sell. And I may end up getting out way before you guys are, or you may have a different profit to loss ratio than me. So make sure you guys just do it based on your own strategy. But anyways, Cardano is currently, like I said, at about 31 cents. It's down about 4% today. We see this at the high point in the last month of 42 cents and a low point of around where it is right now. Now, in the last year, we saw this at a low point of 24 cents, so we could see this still drop down more, which would create a further opportunity for me, but only if it gets down to 25 cents or below. That's when I will make another purchase of this position, as long as I do have, the cash to do it. But if we look at the volume, we're seeing an increase in volume of about, we're seeing it at 22% increase in volume. And then we see the overall volume at $341 million. Market cap is at about $11 billion market cap, still sitting at ranked 7 on the list by market cap. Total supply, you're looking at 45 billion, and circulating supply, you're looking at 34.6 billion there. So 77% that is released. So it obviously doesn't have a major form of dilution that is there. Now, I like this position because of how many people that hold it, the staking that you get with it. I'm holding it over on Coinbase. And as you can see, I currently have 9,291 ADA. Previous to this, I had 7,000. So I just bought 2,000 plus ADA. Because I felt as though it is a great opportunity, and this is not going to be the only time that I purchase it. if it does come down more. But if it comes down to about 25, expect me to make another purchase or another push into this play. But currently, if we look at the typical hold time for this position, we're seeing 195 days, over a half a year that people are holding this position. You know that it has a lot of strength. You see the trading activity, 98% buy versus 2% sell. The popularity is 3. People love to buy this position, love to, see this position grow. And again, I'm down. If you look at the overall investment, I'm down on my on what I have in Cardano, right? My overall average price is 45 cents, and my net investment is $3,175.13. So my all-time return is a negative $315. So you guys don't need to sit here and follow exactly what I'm doing, because mine is built out for more of the long term, not for anything that's supposed to happen right now. Now, I do have short term plays within it, but overall, yes, long term, I'm looking for a larger price increase and a larger gain within that. And again, I have a 2% APY, so I'm consistently gaining, ADA as I am holding this on Coinbase. So I'm expecting to continue to gain a lot more there. And there's a lot of people that hold a ton more than me. When I go all in on positions, I take the amount that I have for investing on that day and invest all in on that position. But currently, I haven't gone all in today. I think that was I think I still have a little bit more money to invest in other places if I wanted to, but this was kind of just a transfer of one position to really the other, because I see the opportunity in Cardano and more of the consistency in something like Cardano. A lot of times when positions fall down a hell of a lot, altcoins will fall down a lot more. But you can look at the top 10 and say that those are more consistently driven coins rather than, just regular altcoins. But yeah, ADA definitely has a lot of promise. I'm hyped for what the future will be. Again, I just bought some. I think I spent like $600, $600+ on that. If I go ahead and look at my, what's the vault? Hopefully that's not something, I don't really have it. So we'll just go back. I always look at my wallet. For some reason, I can't look at my wallet. Maybe I would look at balance if I did that, but either way, I'll figure it out. But yeah, we'll see what ends up happening. Again, I bought 2,000 ADA today, and I feel confident about that ADA that's now in my wallet. So let me know what you think about this purchase. Is it a good purchase? Is it a bad purchase? Do you feel like the markets are going to come down even more? Because even if they are, I'm still set up to buy more and cost, dollar cost average down at some of these lows. No one's going to accurately predict exactly where the low is. And that's what I always want to get away from, because if I sit here and get afraid that things are going to drop more, then I will not buy, because I will be too afraid to do so. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description as well, for KuCoin, for Crypto.com, Webull, all of those. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.